Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll down, find the option called Watch Settings and tap on it. Here scroll down, find the option called the Connectivity, and once you find it, select it. And then scroll down, find the option called the Wi-Fi, tap on it. Right here, make sure that the status is on, so the Wi-Fi is enabled basically. Then scroll down, select My Networks. And if you don't have any networks right here, tap on Search for Networks. It's gonna start searching for the nearby networks, and once it's done, you will see the list of networks you can connect to. Find the network you want to connect, or you want connect to basically, and then tap on it. If your watch is paired with a phone, you will see the pop-up on your phone, and you can use your phone basically to enter the password. But if it's not, you can use the keyboard on your watch basically. I'm gonna use the phone keyboard because it makes it a bit easier. And once it's done, it should say connected, and this network will appear right here under My Networks, which means that your watch is connected to the network. And then you can press back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.